Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Top Tip Tuesday with myself, Rory. Today, what we're going to be going over is how to set up single sign-on or SSO within your Scorebuddy, especially if it's required within your own business. So you'll see here we are on the Scorebuddy Global Dashboard page. To enable SSO, you will have to go to your admin. You will then see an option underneath for security. And from there, you will see on the left-hand side, there is an option for single sign-on. Now from there, you will see that Scorebuddy currently has 4 options available. There is Microsoft Azure, there is Okta, there is One Login, and there is also Ping. You will see once you select any of these, there will be certain options you will need underneath. This is something that you might want to speak to your own IT and securities team about. They will hopefully be able to help you set this up. But if there are any issues or questions, please make sure that you reach out to your account executive, account manager, or your customer success manager as well. That's all for this one. We will speak to you in the next.